Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and as we all know that gold acted crazily past week because of many fundamental factors. The last traded price of gold is 1972. 1972.95. This is the last traded price of gold. So if you look at the chart of gold here, then we can see that market was more or less stagnant here. Then we saw some crazy bullishness on gold when gold broke the previous important resistance of 1950 and ultimately settled at 1972. So if we look at the chart or observe the chart of gold carefully, then we can see that overall the chart looks bullish to us. Okay, and if we consider the other fundamental factors like the war between Russia and Ukraine, it's still going on. The inflation, we all know that inflation has become a big issue. Okay, so if we consider all these factors, then overall there is still an upside on the chart of gold, and the chart is also telling us the same thing. So as of now we have resistance around 1981 to 1982. Yes, this is a resistance for us on the chart of gold right now, but if we observe the trend of the chart carefully, then there is a high possibility that market will break the resistance soon and market will go up. If we do not get any news regarding the end of war or any positive news regarding the inflation, okay, then there's a high chance that market will break the resistance and market will be going or heading towards the 2000 level, because never forget the levels in the market are not permanent, so there's a high chance. And in case market reverses also, you can take a sell position, but be careful before taking a sell position at the resistance of 1981 or 1982. Keep in mind that you have the proper confirmation. It means that if you see a good price rejection, strong price rejection from above, if you see shooting star kind of a pattern or a bearish engulfing pattern, then only take a sell position at the resistance. Do not take any sell position blindly, and be careful with the positions, because following strict risk management is extremely important right now. So if market reverses from resistance zone, you can take a sell position, but if market breaks it, then please be on the positive side, on the buy side. Wait for some time and see how the market is doing, how the market is reacting. If you see the market is trading comfortably above 1981 1982 level, you can take a buy position as well, and your next target will be 2000, 2000 or 2005. This will be your next target. Okay. Though we have resistance around 2000 2005 level, but keep in mind that this resistance is also not very strong. If we observe the chart of gold, then you can see that we do not have any proper resistance right now except this level here. Except this resistance zone, we do not have any strong resistance zone right now. So please be careful while taking a sell position. And on the other hand, if market comes down on Monday, if market comes down on Monday, then we have support around 1960 level. Yes, around 1960, you can expect market to bounce from this level. So if market comes down or goes down on Monday, observe the market around 1960. If you see price rejection from below 1960, 1961 level, if you see price taking support around this level, trying to bounce, you can go for a buy as well. But in case there comes a heavy selling pressure on Monday, if you find market breaking the support also, then the next important support for gold will be 1949 to 1950, the previous resistance in the market, which is now acting as the new support for the market. If you are a trader on gold, then you know that this was a resistance, and here you can see that it acted as the new support. So resistance has given us the confirmation that it's the new support of the market. So if market fails to take support around 1960 1961 level, you can expect market to take next support at 1949 1950. So overall we have two support on the chart of gold right now. First of all, 1960 1961, this level, and then we have 1949 to 1950 as the next support for the market. Then we have 200 moving averages. That's a different chapter, but as of now these two are the important resistances in the market. And the next big resistance, sorry, support for the market, sorry, and the next big next important resistance for gold is around 1981 1982. But keep in mind this is not a strong resistance, and considering the trend of the market, there is a high chance of market breaking the resistance and market going up as well. So be careful. Okay. And if you are someone who loves to take position for swing purpose or positional purpose, then it's better to go for buy at dip. Yes, buy at dip can be one good option who prefers swing trading or positional trading. Okay, so this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Bye bye, take care, see ya.